There truly is no better time to be alive than right now. Welcome to the Upward and Onward podcast. Let's get it.
Alright, so this isn't a typical Upward and Onward podcast episode, but I think this is where this channel is about to start heading. And by that, I mean, I'm just going to start living my life and putting whatever I want on the internet and not really caring about what people think or getting in my own head or procrastinating. There's a lot of beautiful things that happen daily, and I have this camera now, a Sony A7, which has changed my life personally. And what good use would I do if it just doesn't capture everything that it could? So, without further ado, today, what's going on the grill are some Chinese-style barbecue beef skewers. Katie just went to the market and grabbed some skewers, so let's fire them up together. Today is also Sunday. It is September 14th, 2025. Katie ran a 5K today. She did a great job. I'll show a little snippet of her across the finish line here. But I was planning on running a 5K, as I have this goal for 2025 of running a 5K in under 30 minutes. And unfortunately, last weekend, I tweaked. Oh, wow. Alright, last weekend I tweaked my ankle, my right ankle. Even though I'm standing and I'm moving and grooving, I tweaked my right ankle, and it wouldn't be smart if I just went and did a 5K a week after that. So I hit the pause button, and she actually shut me down last night because I was like, ooh, feeling good. I think I can do this thing. Hit the pause button. She shut me down. And realistically, it just makes me even more motivated to crush this goal. Going to the 5K today, seeing my friends run it, seeing them have a lot of fun, seeing them also have that dopamine, that sense of accomplishment, my fiance doing the same thing, it's pretty motivating. Let me just put this umbrella down. So, yeah, I think one of the things that I took away from today is you can't rush greatness. You can't rush certain things that you want to happen, as bad as you may want them to happen, as much as you've made prepared, you've trained, you've visualized it, you've manifested it. The reality is there is another plan for you that is not just your own, and if you want to call it God's plan, you can do that. If you want to attribute it to something else, I can't control what you think, but I think there's something else at play other than what we want, what we think is right for us, what we think we deserve, and reality is just you can't control everything. So there's another 5K in October that I will be doing, and I will reach my goal of doing it in under 30 minutes. The first one I'd done in July, I finished at 33 minutes and 4 seconds. The second one, it may have been around 31 minutes or 32:09. 32:09 is what I have tracked on Strava, but unfortunately that specific race didn't have bibs that have the actual RFID tag in it. So when you cross and start the finish line, or when you start the race and cross the finish line, it doesn't automatically track your score. So because of that, I don't know my official time, especially because after I crossed the finish line, I was like dead gassed. I was like, I think I passed out, to be honest. So yeah, it was called the Summer Sizzler race, which I think says everything anyone needs to know in and of itself. It was hot as hell, but we finished and we had fun, and definitely learned a lot from it. So yeah, it's Sunday. It's been a wild week, I'd say, in the world. A lot of divide, a lot of strong feelings, and no one's right or wrong. I'd say that people are able to feel the way that they feel, regardless of what the topic is. Everyone is able to have an opinion, speak freely. I mean, we live in the land of the free. Thank God. Thank God. So I won't talk about politics on this channel. and I won't talk about things that I think would make people less than happy. So I'll be very cognizant of that. That's one thing you can always guarantee when you come to this channel. It'll be all positive. It'll be all good stuff. So what I want to say is over this past week, there's been a lot of things that have happened around the world, but also in my life, where I feel like it's been eye-opening. And at least for myself, one of those things has been, for me, not holding on to grudges. And by that, I mean, in everyone's life, there are things that happen that, like I mentioned earlier, we can't control and are suboptimal. And those things are going to happen regardless if we want them to or not. A lot of them aren't even us. There are other people that do them, other people that say them, other people who are in a situation that then impacts our life. So by that, I mean, I recently feel like I grew up enough to know that I can't control everything that happens in the world, and that I can't hold anyone else accountable to control everything that happens in their lives. And as a result, I have began to hold less of a grudge about something in my life, which is so rewarding, it feels so freeing. And I'd recommend anyone who's watching this, if you are holding some sort of a grudge, if you are harboring feelings, the reality is, well, time is fleeting, life is short, nothing is for certain. We have to take really, really good care of ourselves and take really good care of the time that we have, because it's limited. So make sure that if there's something that you want to do, something that you want to see for yourself, certain people you want to be around, make sure you put a concerted effort towards that and make it a reality, because the opportunity might pass you by, and God forbid it does for any of us, but I think we should all just be really cognizant of the fact that we at least have control over some of the things. So if you can do something that's going to make you happy, productive, feel better, healthier, those are the things you should do. So it's a lot of talking. Katie is actually going to be the one that wants to grill these beef skewers, so I'm going to pop inside and come right back. She could be on the grill, I could be on the grill. Nevertheless, try to get a different angle here, and we'll keep it talking, we'll keep it moving. So see you guys in a bit. I mean, wait, why would I say that? Like, as if I'm going somewhere. I'm literally still standing here. So let me redo that. She's gonna hop on the grill. Let's do that in 3, 2, 1. Shit. Hey, buddy. Kobe. Kobe, look, say hi. Oh, when I get nice with the gimbal, it's over. When I get nice with the gimbal, it's over. Oh. Alright, so as I was saying earlier, this channel is going to change in how it was really focused on entrepreneurship, creativity, and business. And instead, I'm going to make a lot of good use of this camera and record the things that are going on in my life, also taking photos. It's become such a great hobby for me and such a great outlet to just, of course, be creative, get outside, touch grass, capture the moment, and also have a lot of things to just work on. I think for anyone who finds happiness, one of the ways that they do that is they have hobbies, and that means maybe going to the gym, going for walks. If you go even have like a book club or whatever you do that gets you out, takes you away from the things that you have to do, and instead you focus on the things you like to do. So this channel will have more videos just like this. Let me know maybe what you guys want to see. If you want to see day in the life, if you want to see weekends, a trip, something like that, more of what maybe I do outside of work, things like that, I'm willing to share, but just let me know. One thing that's for certain is summer is coming to the end of its wits, if you will, or the end of its being, and we're trying to hold on to the last of it. So definitely going to spend more time outside as we get closer to the fall and the winter. But that means skiing. That means skiing, so that's fun. So yeah, more content coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the next episode. Peace out. Ooh, let's see how good these look. Jeez. How good do these look? How good do these look? Yeah. Come on, camera, focus. Guys, you also notice that I'm just getting used to the gimbal, so. Yeah, cool. Alright, see you guys on the next episode. Bye.